Donald Trump's tariffs are expected to cost US families as much as $2,400 this year, according to the latest forecast from Yale University. But tariffs have helped some lawmakers amass a fortune. Democrats and Republicans in Congress rode the stock market's wild swings to buy and sell equities after the president's announcement in April sent shockwaves across the financial world.
And that profiteering is raising concerns among government accountability experts about conflicts of interest. Are these lawmakers serving voters or themselves by potentially taking advantage of government information before the public and, crucially, the stock market receives it, much less drafting and voting laws that might implicate the very companies they're invested in? So some lawmakers have introduced bipartisan legislation that would ban themselves from trading individual stocks, though they would be allowed to invest in things like bonds and funds, both of which are beyond their immediate control.
Trump berated the sole Republican senator backing the legislation, even though he's previously indicated support for this kind of initiative. And yet Trump's second presidency is also raising fresh conflict of interest concerns that dogged his first term.
Trump's inability to steer away from self-dealing for himself and his family and his business interests as president creates all kinds of risks of corruption. And those risks are worsened when you're dealing with international relations, when you're dealing with opportunities for foreign governments.
Senator Sheldon Whitehouse responding to reports that Trump is considering hosting the 2026 G20 Summit of International Leaders at his Florida golf course, even though he abandoned plans to host the similar G7 summit there during his first presidency after a conflict of interest backlash. And Whitehouse himself is among lawmakers who trade stocks. But few businessmen have profited while occupying the highest elected office in the US, quite like Trump.
The United States will be the crypto capital of the planet.
While past presidents have put their investments beyond their control before taking office, Trump launched a booming cryptocurrency venture and even his own tradable meme coin before overseeing new regulations.
We take a giant step to cement American dominance of global finance and crypto technology.
Trump's simultaneous signing off on crypto regulation while investing in it prompted one senator to ask a regulator how it will stop the president becoming entangled in a conflict of interest. Surveys suggest long-standing public support for laws preventing lawmakers from stock trading. But previous congressional attempts to legislate this haven't even made it beyond the committee stage. Owen, Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.